Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert a table to text separated by tabs in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show convert a table to text separate by tabs. Now select from a all table text. Now go into the design mode option, then click for a border option. Now click for no border. That is, now you can see convert table to text in separate by tabs. Now I show from the show. Now going to the file one option, then click for a print option. Then I can see, then I show the remove from table. In this convert a table to text I separate by tabs. Now is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.